Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to switch Clash of Clans accounts on iPhone. While playing Clash of Clans, tap on the settings icon to access your settings. If your Supercell account is linked to your current village, tap on the connected button. Ensure a stable network connection. Then, select the gear icon to go to your Supercell settings. Tap on Logout and confirm, and you'll be taken back to the game's login screen. Now choose to log in with Supercell ID or play without Supercell ID. Next, select your preferred login option and follow the prompts, usually entering a code sent to your email. Then, access your game progress saved on your other Supercell account. If you encounter issues, it might be due to server problems, your network, or incorrect login details. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.